Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to talk about the very important swing trading strategy. This can be useful for working professionals or those who cannot look at the market on a daily basis. So this video is very important. So this strategy is based on CPR. So if you are liking the video in this channel, so keep subscribing and like, share, comment your views on the video. So do follow me on Telegram, so where I post daily. I'm giving calls here. So let's get started. Traders, so this is the swing trading strategy. So the first point is that add monthly CPR to the chart in TradingView. So how to add monthly CPR in the TradingView chart? So first you have to open any stock. So I have opened the Wipro stock. So it looks like this. So in indicators you have to type pivot points, right? Pivot points. In this you go to the public library and pivot points. Okay, so you see this pivot point CPR with month, week, daily, high, low by Gomati Shankar. Around 4,926 people are using this. So you click on this and you find this type of interface. So what to do next? So remove all pivots, keep only monthly pivot, monthly bottom and monthly top pivot. Okay, so you have to remove all this daily, okay, weekly, so okay, tomorrow. So you have to remove all this to get the monthly CPR. Okay, monthly pivot, monthly bottom, monthly top. Okay, you can make the color for CPR as well. So you can change the color also and remove all this monthly, previous month low, previous high. Okay, so you unclicked all this and keeping only these three: monthly pivot, monthly bottom pivot, monthly top pivot. Okay, so click on OK. So you find it monthly CPR. This is the monthly CPR. See, this is from September 1 to September 30. This is from October 1 to October 31st or October 30. Okay, this is the monthly CPR. So after adding this in the monthly CPR, so let's see what is the next point. So now you have the monthly CPR in your chart. Okay, so now what are the entry conditions? Okay, stock must have 2-month back-to-back high CPR. This means that the stock or the script which you have selected has to be in a back-to-back high CPR. So this is in a sideways zone. See, this is the first month and this is the second month. This is the high CPR. Okay, so entry point is that, what is the entry point? Enter when, this is when, enter when price comes to the CPR, keeping stop loss below the CPR. Okay, so the price is below the CPR and the CPR is very narrow. So this strategy works when the CPR is wider. So ignore this kind of a CPR, narrow CPR in the swing trading strategy. Okay, so you cannot trade in this month. You can trade exactly in this month back to back. Not 3 high CPRs are there. You enter at this point, the condition satisfies in this point, keeping stop loss just below the CPR, or you can, if the stop loss is too wide, you can just keep your stop loss just below the central pivot, that is central pivot range. Okay, so keeping the entry point, so keeping a target of 1:3. So 1:3 can be easily achievable in swing trading. I usually recommend book your half profits at 1:2 and keep trailing your stop loss to 1:3, or when you do not see any candle closing below the CPR or central pivot range, you exit that stock right there. So entered here, you exited here, okay, around 10% of a profit in a 64 days, okay, 64 trading days, right? So let's look at the another chart. So let's say HCL or Reliance Industries. So right, so I will remove the noise, okay. So this is back to back high CPR is there. If this is a this can be trading can be done in a November month, okay. If the higher CPR comes and the price comes to that CPR level, you can enter that in this stock. So let's see what has happened in the past of Reliance, okay. These are all the sideways zone, okay. So this is also back to back high CPR is there and another CPR is not high, okay. So yes, this looks okay. So you are having back to back higher CPR, entering when the CPR comes to your CPR, okay. You enter here and exit where? You enter here, exit when the candle closes below CPR, okay. That is 26% in 110 trading days. So let's look at Tata Motors. It can be usable for any stock, okay. So this is in a sideways zone, okay. So there is no entry point here. There is an 1 2 back to back, okay. There is an entry point here, one CPR, second CPR is like that only. So enter here, entry point will be here and exit will be here only. You make around 10% of your capital, okay. So another 1 2, but it is not a good entry point, okay. So in this you can make the money using this strategy. It is very useful for working professionals, so you can be useful. So let's look at another stock, that is IRCTC. It's made a huge rally and it has come back around 50% in an 30% in just 9 days. Other than in 2 trading days, it has come down by with a high around 30% down it is. So in this, where you find entry point? All these are narrow CPRs, okay. All these are narrow CPRs. So see, this is having 1 2, okay, 1 2 back to back higher CPR. So you can do not enter here because the prices never came to the CPR. Your entry point will be here, that is 1st September, okay. 1st September will be your entry point. This is your entry point and the stop loss would be this, and your target, where you keep your target. See, this is the target you have achieved. That is 128% in just 1 month. Now 1 month it is in 41 trading days, 129%. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please share and subscribe and comment on the video and share your views so that I can make relative videos on this channel. So do follow me on Telegram, where I post regularly on daily basis. I give calls on intraday and swing as well. So thank you very much.